What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back. Today is my birthday. Today's my 29th birthday, and so we're celebrating with doing a very glam birthday look that could also work for New Year's or any holiday party that you're probably not going to.
Oh, wow.
But you might do something on New Year's, and why not grab the occasion to do something fun like this? I sure know that I will. Really, honestly, that's all I wanted to say. This is the birthday slash New Year slash any intimate holiday thing that you're doing this year. I just wanted to inspire you with some fun and some drama because I don't know about you, but I don't have a whole lot of fun going on in my life. And so I tried to create it myself by putting shitload of makeup on my face. That's all I wanted to say. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I do makeup and skincare and all type of fun beauty. So much fun. We have so much fun on this channel. And I only use cruelty-free beauty, and if you're not following me on Instagram yet, I think you should, because I do even more out there fun stuff on Instagram. So go follow me there too. Okay, let's get into the video. Alright, so let's start with the eyes because, well, glitter, quite frankly. I'm just gonna quickly prime with just some concealer because, oh, that was way too much. Way too much. So for my black today, I will be using the black shadow in the Makeup Revolution Euphoria palette. So this one right here, and I might blend a little bit with this light one, but we shall see. So I'm just grabbing this very old brush that I don't really know what it is, but as you can see, it's kind of dome shaped, and I'm just gonna dip it into that black, and then I will try to start shaping this whatever shape it is, but basically it's just a very sharp V thing. So something like that. That is not a very pretty shape, is it? Not very precise. What else is new? Been watching 3 seasons of The Crown. I actually watched it before, but then season 4 came, and all of a sudden my husband wanted to see it too. I'm just trying to blend this very carefully, not trying to go too far up or too far in or out. Just trying to keep this shape, kind of, if that makes sense. Anyways, yeah, so since I've already watched 3 seasons, I'm not rewatching them. And honestly, I can't complain. It's quite a good show. I like it. Love the characters and just love feeling like I know what they're doing. The rich people, the powerful people. I'm also watching the Great British Bake Off, but except for that, oh my god, we finished watching The Undoing on HBO with Hugh Grant and Nicole Kidman, and I think it was really good. I really liked it. I'm blending this a bit outwards because I want it long. Yeah, we'll see about that. I don't know. They're looking kind of even, which is a good thing, which also rarely happens. I'm gonna go in with some more because I want to just intensify that black. So I'm just going in with a second layer and just adding that on into that V shape. I'm also extending the V down on like maybe half of my lid because I want that smokiness on my lash line. And I'm just very slightly blending this, not too much. So when you guys are watching this, this is getting published on my actual birthday. So today is Wednesday, the day before. What is going on with this hair? Yeah, so tomorrow on my actual birthday, which is Thursday, which is when you're seeing this video, we're going for dinner. That's the only plan we have. I'm just grabbing a clean brush and I'm going into that lighter color, and I'm just going to try to blend that along here to make sure that there's no line. There we go. That was easy. That was too easy. Why was that so easy? I'm going to grab hair everywhere. I'm gonna grab a small brush like this and do my lower lash line. And I'm basically just doing this. Oh no. I have a tear coming. There's a gap in my shadow. I'm gonna try anyways. I guess that's okay. We can fix it later once it dries up. Okay, so I'm just taking it maybe like half of my lower lash line, maybe a third. And I'm applying it, and then I'm just actually gonna blend it out with the same brush. This look is very non-polished. I wanted to say lazy, but it sounds bad. I'm gonna clean up that outer edge. So once again, going in with some concealer. And did I not bring a brush for this? Oh damn, oh no, that was way too much. Way too much. What's wrong with me today? I'm doing nothing with precision. Well, I guess it worked out fine. If you're wondering what I was thinking in terms of like the angle of the eyeshadow, I didn't want it to angle too much upwards because I think that on my eye, especially since I have quite a lot of skin hanging right there, that it can look really unnatural if I try to like do it too vertical. So I actually just did the angle that I always do with like my eyeliner. I go to the end of that fold, and that's where the angle kind of ends. But that's kind of exactly where my crease ends, is also where that shadow ends. So I don't know if that was any cool. So next, I'm just gonna grab a black kohl pencil and just line my waterline, both my lower and upper waterline. Anyways, I was talking about this restaurant we're going to. Yes, it's this Mexican restaurant we actually went to in January when we moved here, before the pandemic, and we were gifted a gift card to go have dinner there, and it was amazing. It's called Okomoko. And so we're going back there now for my birthday. Perfection. Love it. What was I going to say about this restaurant? Yeah, I actually don't remember the food. I know it was good. I just don't remember specifically what I ate. Maybe it's because it's a long time ago. Maybe it's because I got so wasted off the margaritas that I got. They were super good, but they were hell strong. Let's do some glitter. I'm going to do my favorite Pixie glitter. This is the palette Gold Lava, and I'm going to use the silver one right up here. So I'm just going to take like a flat brush, and I'm just going to pat it in, basically. I want to try to keep like the outer edge black, but I'm going to go kind of like in a C shape like this on my lid with the silver. Yes, let's do some more, because why the hell not? It's my birthday. And then I'm just going to grab like a fluffy one and try to just dust a little bit off to like blend it out. How do you feel about that? Yes. Lovely. We'll do mascara and we'll be back because it's nothing new. It's literally my CoverGirl Total Tease waterproof mascara and an eyelash curler. Okay, see you soon. I'm just gonna prime my skin as per usual with the Cover FX SPF 30 booster drops. If you got any oil on your hands, just use that oil. Face oil, that is. Please don't use like olive oil or like cooking oil. But I think we are all on board with that already, aren't we? Yeah. So I was thinking about what to do with the skin. I was like, maybe I should do something like satiny, because that might go better with this look. But then again, I'm like, it's my birthday. I should just do whatever I want to do. And I always want to do glowy skin. So let's do some glowy skin. So I have a new foundation, and I was debating on not using it because it's from H&M Beauty and they only sell in Sweden and Norway. But then I was like, it's a glowy foundation. It's like the rest of them. It's a really good glowy foundation. You probably already have one. I think I've recommended 100 of them before. I love the Anastasia Luminous one. I love the NYX Born to Glow one. I love the Glossy Skin Tint one if you want one that's like basically no coverage. I love, what else do I love? There's so much that I like. So I'll just link a bunch of luminous foundations that I love below that are like a substitution for this one. This is in the shade 5N Almond Beige. So I'm just gonna put that on a beauty blender and basically stipple it in. So how do you guys feel about birthdays? How do you feel personally about them? Because I know some people like to celebrate them and they like that attention and they plan a whole birthday week. Obviously no one can do that right now, but like before the pandemic. Or some people just really don't want to do anything. They don't want that kind of attention in that way. I am for sure not like somebody who goes all in. I do not like plan a birthday week with several activities or whatever. And I also kind of always realize really late that my birthday is coming up. Yeah, I mean, I like gifts, but I suck at getting them because I always get like shocked and I feel bad and I don't know what to say and I start behaving really awkwardly. I don't know if anybody else does that. I'm just gonna do my bronzer. This is the Cover FX bronzer drops in Sunkissed. But yes, I do like getting gifts and I do like giving gifts too. But I just suck at being on the receiving end because I don't know how to act, kind of thing. Does that make sense? I forgot my concealer. Oh, fuck it, we'll just do it after this. But yes, I do like getting a little bit spoiled. What is the best gift? If you ever got a gift for your birthday, what is the best one you ever got? Let me know in the comments down below. I can tell you mine. I think I've had a few though. I don't think I could just pick one. But once my husband surprised me with a trip to New York. This was 3 years ago, 2017, and we spent New Year's here. This was when we were living back in Sweden. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more bronzer because I feel like this eye just makes me look really pale. That was one. He also once surprised me with a trip to London, and we went to the Harry Potter studios where they filmed parts of the movies on a tour. That was amazing too. And then basically all my best gifts are trips, which probably won't be anything we can gift each other anymore. My 3 best girlfriends surprised me for a trip to Paris when I turned 25. That was amazing. One of them lived there back then, and the other 2 came into my office on a Friday and put a blindfold on me and put me in a car. And when I took the blindfold off, we were at the airport. It was amazing. I love them so much. Since we're doing it all in the wrong order, I'm gonna now use my concealer. This is the Cosmetics by Under Eye in medium tan. I'm just gonna do a little bit with my fingers. Oh, there we go. That feels a lot better. Husband just entered a meeting, so if you hear him talking in the background, sorry. So this concealer is a very like glowy finish one, as you can see. So I'm gonna have to use something else to cover up a few couple of birthday friends I have right here. Right here I have a couple of birthday friends, and I actually have some on my cheeks, but I feel like the foundation covered that up quite well. So I'm just gonna do a little boop. Who knew that I was gonna be blessed enough for special visitors for my birthday? And just tapping that in. Now I'm gonna do something shocking. I'm gonna powder this forehead because it's starting to get oily on my forehead and I don't know how to act. I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna grab the LA Girl Pro Powder in Banana, I think. Banana Yellow, yes. And just a big old powder brush. Looks like this. Whoop. And just tapping it in a tiny bit. I don't need a lot. Doing that and then just kind of, I don't know. I don't know how to act with powder. Stipple it in, brush it in. There we go. Good, great. Let's move on. For blush, I just want to do something really neutral and barely showing because we have these eyes going on and the lips, we're going to do like a reddish tint gloss. So I want the cheeks to be very, very natural. Any blush that you have that's like almost blends into your skin, that doesn't show a lot, just gives you a little flush of color, use that. I'm just going to use this Adora 04 Rose Perfection. I'm just going to use a tiny amount and place it quite far out and quite far up. That's just how I've been liking to wear my blush lately. So here, I actually think that I'm not going to use any highlighter today because I just feel, look at the skin. I don't really feel like I need it. I feel like that oil is really a great combination with that glowy foundation, and it really gives me like a glow from within. So I actually, wow, what is going on? I used powder and I'm not using highlighter. I cannot stray away too much from glowy products because of my name on this platform. Oh, okay, so I guess we're kind of finished. Okay, last product. This is the Glossier red gloss, and I think it's called Red Rogue or just red. I don't know. I'm just gonna go in with that. I should have removed the foundation that was on my lips. Give me a sec. That's better. I want it to be a little bit cherryish, you know. Okay, you guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope that you learned something new, or if you didn't, that you got inspired to do a little bit more of a glam out there look. Here's a little bit of a close-up of the look. It was so easy to do. The thing is, I really didn't have to blend that well because I was just putting all this glitter up on top of that black, so it's quite easy, to be honest. Quite darn easy. That was it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one.